It's a rainy day, huh, Sundance? Rainy day here in Southern California. We're getting your food ready, and Sammy got his hay up there. He's in his house eating. And Sundance, he's waiting for his. We're soaking his food right now, getting it ready. It's almost ready. It's chilly here today and windy. We had a lot of wind, a lot of rain. Poured rain and wind at the same time today. Really unusual for Southern California. Huh, Sundance? You gonna stay in your house tonight? Yeah. We got the heater going out here. Trying to stay warm. And we got his food soaking right here. It's almost ready. Sundance is ready. You ready to eat? Yeah. Time to eat, huh? Keep your bones warm. Pretty baby. And there's Sophia. She doesn't like the rain much. She's running to get out of it. It's going to be a rainy, wet week this week. Yep. What do you think, Sundance? You ready to eat? Yeah, we're just soaking your food a little more. Get it soft. And we got his hay ready right here, too. His alfalfa. He's trying to open the gate. No. It's almost ready. See Sammy up there. There's his house. Okay, here comes Sundance's food. There he goes to his house and get his food. And there's Sammy. Well, we just wanted to say hi here from rainy Southern California. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye for now.